I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your FF account where recovery settings live. You need an active session or the current password so the service trusts you. Otherwise, you must re-authenticate. Once signed in, open security or account settings and locate recovery email. Make sure two-factor authentication or backup codes are ready. They prevent lockout if email removal triggers additional verification. This step reduces risk and speeds the next actions. Now perform the removal. Choose Edit or Remove next to the recovery email entry. The system will prompt you to verify, enter your password and any two-factor code, or a one-time password sent to the recovery address. Do this because services require proof you own the account before changing contact details. Once verified, confirm the deletion. After confirmation, copy any temporary recovery codes shown and store them securely. They can restore access if something. Finish by reviewing account contact or security to verify the recovery email is removed. If the service requires a backup, add a phone number or authenticator app now. That prevents accidental lockouts. Make sure to sign out and sign back in to confirm behavior. If you lose access during this change, use backup codes or the previously saved recovery method. If neither works, contact support and provide account ownership proof, transaction ID, device info, or ID if requested, to restore access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.